Hello, I'm Irfan Hussain. Today I am showing you how to prepare a text file where you can analyze your vector data according to your table, and you can using this process by Python programming language. First of all, I am showing you that this is a country shape file. This country name is Bangladesh. In here there are many different types of administrative bodies. So I show you their attribute table, and this whole works is doing in QGIS, that is open source platform, open source software in GIS industry. So you can see there is a ADM2 EN means administrative name of this area, and I want to calculate this area in my text file using Python programming language. So in here, this is a Python console. I just click it, and I in here this is a live console, and in here this is a Python file which I prepare at this moment. So I just first of all I just click the layer in there. I just activate my current layer. Next I just select my features. This is helpful. It is also give you I give you some information suggestion in this console. This is very helpful. And in here I just I want to calculate the district area. So I just call this package QgsDistanceArea. And I also need to set the projection system. So in here I use WGS 1984 projection system. WGS 84. So in here I just prepare my position in this variable called district area. So I just declare in here, give some error. I just missing the I just initiate a value of total area. So I just declare my 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 folder where I want to save my data. So I just copy in my path. In here I just paste it, and I just give a name of this txt file. And also remember that you want to need this symbol w, means write your file, and keep a name as f. And also you have to know about this line to different orientation. It will represent your path. So this is complete, and I also go to this line, and in there you have to maintain the indentation, which is very important. And I want to run a loop in this portion, because in here there are many different many there are many a feature. According to in this shapefile I have 42 districts, so I need to run a loop in this condition. So I running a loop in there. I just declare my I just find out my table name, which I just written as a I watching you in earlier ADM2 ADM2 sorry ADM2 EN, and in there you have in you have to find out your geometry, because we are want to identify our area. So district area dot measure area. In there I need to paste this geom, which I declared in my earlier line. So I need to divide it by 1000 into 1000. So it will give you, if you give you it will give you square kilometer. So it is very helpful. So I just print this area, so you can watch it in console. So I declare it earlier, and I just running a loop in this portion, and I just sum my area to its previous area according to 64 features. So it will give me a summation of all areas, and it give me my country's whole area. So I just write it in my text file, which is very helpful for any documentation. Area of district name, there I just assign this variable value dynamically, and it will give this area also. So area is, and I also give it two decimal place because I have no need any longer value, which is not it is reduce the readability. And I just give a second line comment which give me the next line in my txt file. And I also need the ultimate total area, which is very helpful for any calculation. So I just prepare my code there. I describe it again. In here, first of all, I activate this layer. This activate my layer is this layer is activated, and this is the shapefile, and this is my attribute table. I just calculate this name of column, and I use this column using geometry to calculate my area. So in here I just get these features, all these layer features, and I just called a uh, function names QgsDistanceArea, and I set the projection system, and I initiate a variable, and then I give a path for my desired txt file generated in this folder. And I just declared this my column, which is was you in earlier, and in here I just calculate this it in a square kilometer formation, and here is my output summation, and this is my function for for preparing a txt file. So I just run this folder. In here give some error in my file, so I have to save it fast. I need to save it fast. So I just mistakes there. In here active layer, that is my mistakes. This is it will be active layer. So I just run my code again. So I have another mistake. It will be ellipsoid. So in here I just give give it error, which it will be. So in here it will be activate layer, and it will be set ellipsoid, ELLISOID. So I just run this code, and I just found all these values in here, and I just I just go to my txt file. There is a preparing a file. There are all different type of districts are prepared with square kilometer. I just saw you the select. It is around 3400 square kilometers. So I just give you an understanding how it is happens. So here is zero district area. It is around 3.25k square kilometer. That means it is around 3400 square kilometer. So this is my today's video. Thank you for watching these videos.